How to delete Gemini chats and activity history. Want to delete your Gemini chat history and clear your activity so Google is not storing your conversations. In this video, I am going to teach you exactly how to delete your Gemini chats in 2026 on desktop, mobile, and through Google Activity settings. First, let me explain how Gemini Activity works. By default, when you are 18 or older, Google turns on Keep Activity, which means your Gemini conversations are saved to your Google account and can be used to improve Google services and train AI models. Even if you delete a chat, it stays on Google servers for up to 72 hours, then the data is retained unless you specifically delete it from activity. Now let us get into the methods. Method 1. Delete individual chats on the web. Step 1. Go to gemini.google.com and sign into your account. Step 2. On the left side panel, look for the clock icon with an arrow that says Activity. Click it to view all your recent chats. Step 3. You will see your chat history listed by date. Find the chat you want to delete and click the X button next to it. Select it and then click the Delete button to confirm. Method 2. Delete all chats at once using activity settings. Step 1. Go to gemini.google.com/activity or click the Activity option in the left menu. Step 2. Click the Delete button at the top. You will see options to delete from the last hour, last day, a custom range, or all time. Step 3. Select all time to delete every single chat you have ever had with Gemini. Click Delete and confirm. Method 3. Turn off Keep Activity to stop future chats from being saved. Step 1. Go to myactivity.google.com/product/Gemini. Step 2. Click the Keep Activity toggle. It is on by default. Select Turn off and delete activity to both stop saving future chats and permanently delete all past activity. Step 3. Confirm by clicking Delete when prompted. Method 4. Delete chats on mobile. Step 1. Open the Gemini app on your iPhone or Android device. Step 2. Tap your profile icon in the top right corner and select Gemini Apps Activity. Step 3. Long press or tap the three dots next to any chat and select Delete. Or click the Delete button at the top and choose All Time to delete everything at once. Method 5. Delete Gemini chats in Google Messages. If you use Gemini inside Google Messages, open your Gemini chat, tap the three dots in the top right corner and select Delete. Confirm the deletion. Now here is your pro tip. Even if you turn off Keep Activity and delete all your chats, Google still saves conversations on their servers for 72 hours to provide the service and detect abuse. After 72 hours, they are deleted. There is no way to opt out of this short window, but you can at least prevent long-term storage by turning off Keep Activity right now. So to recap, delete individual chats by clicking the X in Activity. Delete all chats by going to the Activity page and selecting Delete All Time. Turn off Keep Activity to stop future saving. Use the mobile app to delete from your phone, and remember, chats stay on Google's servers for 72 hours regardless. If this video helped you delete your Gemini history, hit the like button and subscribe for more guides. And drop a comment below telling me why you wanted to delete your Gemini activity. See you in the next one.